Hey yo, what's up my little coders? Let me show you in this tutorial how to solve the Leetcode question number 1, to sum. Given an array of integers nums, an integer target return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You might assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you might not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Here are some examples, guys. So imagine if the target is 9, then basically the elements which match are 2 and 7, because 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So we just return the indexes of these two elements, and number 2 is located at index 0, and number 7 is located at index 1. Similar thing here, target is 6, so as you can see, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and we return the indexes of 2 plus 4. We might have some duplicates, but as long as you sum them up and you get the target, you just still return the indexes of them. How can we solve this question? Alright, the brute force solution would be to probably just iterate through the array, have a nested for loop. For example, you start with the first element 3, you do like target minus 3 is equal to 3, so you search like in the rest of the array if there's element which is equal to 3. If there's not such an element, you just move to the next one, so 2, target minus 2 is equal to 4, you just iterate through the rest of the array, search for 4, okay, you found 4, and you just return these two indexes of these two elements, and that's it. Of course it will work, however, you will have the nested for loops, and the time complexity of this solution will be n squared, which is not efficient at all. The better solution would be to use the hash maps. Basically, you create the hash map, again, you iterate through the array, so that's the first value, you just add it to the hash map, then you go to the next one, 2, target minus 2 is equal to 4, but however in a hash map right now you have only value 3, so value 4 will not be inside the hash map, so you will just still add value 2 to the hash map and we'll move to the next element, which is equal to 4, target minus 4 is equal to 2, 2 is inside the hash map, so you can make this target, and you just return the indexes of 2 and 4, simply as that. So yeah guys, let me just quickly write the code now, and I will go through it with you in a few seconds and I will explain you how it works in more details. Just stay with me. Okay dokie, so what do we have here? We create this hash map, right? The key of the hash map will store the integers from the array. The value of the hash map will store basically the indexes at which these elements are located. Then again, we iterate through the array. We have the if statement here. Again, let's consider this array again. So we start with the first element at index 0. Right now the hash map is empty. This will not be true, so we'll skip this if statement and we just will add the value 3 to the hash map. Cool, we'll go on the next iteration of the for loop. I will be equal to 1 right now. Value 2, so we search like target minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 is not in the hash map, so okay, we don't return anything, we just go to next element, we put value 2 inside the hash map, we are going to the next iteration of the for loop, so we're pointing at element which is equal to 4, target minus 4 is 2, and to exist in our hash map, this if statement returns true. That's why we just basically return the answer straight away. So I is the index of the current element, which is equal to 4. Again, you can return the answer in any order. We return in this case, like index 2, like index of value 4, and we basically get our target minus 4 from the hash map, and we just return the index of this value. In this case, it will be the index of value 2. And we just basically return the answer straight away. Simply as that, guys. I don't know, I think it's quite clear. I don't think that I have anything additional to basically say. Let me run the code. Perfect, it works. Let me submit, guys. Perfect, guys, 100%, simply as that. I hope it's clear. So the problem is quite easy. Guys, if you enjoyed this short tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe. Yeah, challenge your friends to see if they can solve this question or not. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Good luck.